This South Georgia campground has it all. We are camping at Georgia Veterans Memorial State Park and Lake Blackshear Resort. Just amazing amenities here. We'll start with the marina. You can rent pontoon boats and go up and down the lake. It was excellent. And just the main activities they have, the kayaking is wonderful. The bike trails are excellent. They even have archery, disc golf, campsites right on the lake. They have a real 18-hole golf course. They have a museum that honors the veterans. They even have a train that you can ride from Cordell into Plains, Georgia and back. And if you're staying at the campground, you get to enjoy all of the resort's amenities. We're going to check it all out. Let's get going. You have to take advantage of the marina that they have right there in the resort. Rent one of their pontoon boats, and it's really close to the campground. There's a really cool course that you can take that we'll show you here, that you can go right up the lake itself, kind of hug the shoreline, weave in and out of all the cypress trees. It's just beautiful. And the pontoons were reasonable, $50 an hour, and you could rent them for just a minimum of 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3. So excellent value, beautiful scenery, and this was a must-do activity if you're staying at the campground at Georgia Veterans State Park.